So I am currently at the Bikini Spa. Ignore the pimple, okay? Ignore the pimple. So today I am going to experience something very new. It's kind of trending on TikTok and stuff. So I want to show y'all my experience with it, with a lovely waxer. But before I do, I just want to make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I realize I don't say that enough because y'all don't do that. So do it. Okay, great. So I'm here at the Bikini Spa. This is the owner. Y'all remember her? She was a feature.
Yes.
So she is my waxer. That's why I'm not wearing a mask right now, because it's like we live together. So it's like, what's the point? So she will be here and she'll be talking while she waxes sugars, or halwa, which is Somali for sugar, because y'all need a little culture in y'all, and I'll give it to y'all. So here I am on my deathbed. Another day, another dollar, you know, get to the money. So I'm gonna be very transparent with you all. It's been a minute since it's been like maybe a month and a half since I last came here, but the last time I got it done, it was the first time I've gotten it done, and the sugaring, like, it lasted so long. And then, like, I was like, yo, look at this. I literally showed her like a couple of days before. I said, look, it's nothing, it's been weeks. And then like one morning I just woke up and I had like this right here, which, yeah, that's a lot. I don't care, that's a lot. That's just foul. But body hair is normal, you know. Women having body hair, very normal. Body hair is just, it's here, and if you want to get rid of it, you can, and if you don't have to. Like, it's your body, your choice. What and how long have you been waxing?
Over a year now.
Gonna
be 2 years in July.
Her and her sweet partner literally started in March, right? Pandemic happened in March. Quarantine happened in March. So they had to shut it down. But, you know, they was like, fuck it, we having a pandemic, and they just still made money, and now they moving on up. Like, it's big things happening for them. What did you just do?
I just prepped your skin, cleansed, and added some powder. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to the nitty gritty.
Let's get to it.
So what exactly is halwa, or sugar wax?
It's basically a natural alternative. It's just sugar, water, and lemon.
Sugar.
Cook it up together, get it into a nice caramel paste, and you use that paste to remove the hair. And it dates back to ancient Egypt, so waxing started in Africa.
This is it.
It's like honey.
It's so beautiful. Looks like it tastes good. Now, most people think sugaring hurts. For me, I have a low pain tolerance. Does that mean I take, like, I get, basically, I'm not good with pain.
You go through it.
I be going through it, and she knows that too. But when she sugared my armpits, and my armpits, like, with the regular hard wax, it hurts. Like, I'd be wanting to cry. I'm just like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a razor because I can't. But with the sugaring and the way this all works, like, it wasn't as bad as normal. Like, you're gonna always experience pain with a wax. I don't know why people think that waxing is not gonna hurt.
It's hair removal.
Exactly.
By pulling.
Exactly. You're like yanking the shit out. Like, come on.
It's definitely bearable.
It's definitely bearable. And, you know, some of you women, y'all give birth, y'all can handle a wax. I can't be talking all that shit and then go through pain. That's gonna be very embarrassing and very humbling. This whole video gonna get shut the fuck off and never shown again. Ooh wee. So get ready to pull. That's already pulling. Golly.
It's been a minute.
Oh shit.
Oh, girl, man, that's been a minute.
Ooh, I told you it's been a minute.
48 hours after any type of wax or hair removal to put deodorant on, and that's because your skin is going to be sensitive and it's going to feel like you're going to get a burning sensation. So you just want to stay away from that for 24 to 48 hours. I always say 48 hours for underarm deodorant.
And what are you applying now?
This is just basically a soothing ingrown hair serum.
Okay. Where can I get one from?
You can actually purchase it from the bikinispa.com.
Link right there.
Boom.
And in the bio. There, in the description, my apology.
Yes. And you, with the bikini area, you apply it twice a day for 5 days after your initial wax, and then once a day or once every other day after that.
Okay, last one. Everybody like always asks before a wax or anything, is it good to take ibuprofen?
I always suggest Tylenol, only because ibuprofen can be considered a blood thinner, and with any type of waxing service you want to stay away from any blood thinners because you don't want to pull back any skin
or die. All right, y'all, so I survived. She looked out. I love the girl. Look at the shirt. It's probably backwards, but the Bikini Spa. She's been amazing in helping me with all of this, and you know, just taking care of me. I feel like a new woman. I feel rejuvenated.
You were great. You handled it like a boss. Yes, while I fix my hair. So
I almost kicked her, but
you did.
I did.
You did.
Yeah. But for the most part, y'all, this is a very nice experience. I'm happy I got to document it this time because I love coming to her. I love watching her grow. If you are in the Virginia area, book with the Bikini Spa. If you made it this far, I hope you did like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can stay up with me. I have a lot more videos coming in. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent with my stuff. This is also my manager, so she is yelling at me about this. Yeah, okay, so yeah, see y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.